What's going on, everybody? Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports here, and today I'm going to bring you a quick product overview on these Ford OEM Sasquatch style flares for the Bronco. Now, the Bronco I have behind me here is a black diamond trim vehicle, but it came off the lot just bare bones and it did not get the Sasquatch upgrade, which means that there's no 35s, no lift in the suspension, and it had just the regular size flares. Now, at this point, we've added a 2-inch lift, we put 37s on here, and the regular flares just weren't cutting it. So if you find yourself in a similar situation, then I think these Ford OEM Sasquatch flares are probably gonna be something you wanna consider. Now, obviously the big benefit here is that because this is a true Ford OEM product, you're getting good quality. You're also getting really nice fitment that's designed for the truck by the people that actually built the truck. So you have the nice textured black finish that blends with the other plastics on the vehicle. All the clips punch into place, no problem. It's actually super easy to swap these out as well. There's just 5 tabs underneath that you'll turn. As you flick those out, you can pop the factory fender off, bring your new fender into place, push it in, hit those tabs to lock it down, and you're good to go. And it's basically the same story for all 4 corners. So not only does it give you that improved Sasquatch look, but you're also getting a bit more coverage as well. And in the case of the factory flares that come on the more bare bones trims of Bronco, you'll see that usually the plastic comes out around 4 inches or so from the actual painted fender on the body. Now, in the case of the Sasquatch flares, you're actually getting closer to 5 inches, if not maybe slightly more at the very edge of the lip. So it gives you quite a bit more coverage over the tire. And in the case of the 37s that we have here, you can see just how much more rubber was exposed that we were able to cover up. So whatever the case may be, I think these Ford OEM flares are worth taking a peek at, and hopefully you guys found this video helpful. So if you're interested in picking up a set for yourself or you want to take a look, you can head down in the description below. It's going to shoot you over to our website. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.